Greetings, family. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm putting on the performance tires on the Tesla Model Y long range, and we're going to be using the 20-inch rims. I'll show you exactly what tools you need and how to jack up this car safely, and a few Tesla tips. You don't want to mess this up, especially the battery. So let's get into it.
You are watching Watts Lock and Key.
So some of the items that you're going to be using for the tire change is a 2-ton jack, as well as you're going to be using a 13/16 socket. You're going to need your jack puck, which is underneath the battery, and then your impact gun to get off the tires. From here, it's going to be pretty smooth, pretty straightforward. First off, you want to make sure you use some good gloves to take off all of these hubcaps. Go around the whole car and do this before you try to do anything else to your vehicle. This part is crucial. Before lifting the car, remember this. Teslas don't have traditional frame rails. You must use the battery jack pucks. This protects the battery pack and prevents serious damage. Line the puck up with the factory jack point. Then place your jack directly under it. I'm using a Daytona 2-ton jack, which is more than enough for a Tesla Model Y. Once the car's up, always set it down on the jack stand. Never rely on the jack alone. Now grab your impact gun. I'm using the DeWalt and your 3/16 socket and remove the lug nuts. Pro tip, loosen the lugs in a star pattern to avoid stress on the wheels. Once the lugs are off, pull the wheels straight off and set it aside. Now we're installing a 255 40ZR20 performance tires. These give better grip, sharper handling, and more aggressive look compared to stock. You line up the wheel, hand thread the lug nuts first, and never cross thread. As regards to the torque and lowering, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Once the car is back on the ground, torque them to 129 foot-pounds, which is Tesla's factory spec. If you want to get a digital torque, it's a little more expensive, but I usually just use the handheld one. Final check and walk around. That is the performance tires installed. The stance looks better, tracking is improved, and this thing is ready for the road. We do have to keep in mind that you are going to get less mileage with these tires though. So that's not a plus, but you will have some good stability, and it's a lot quicker if you want to take this onto the road or you're traveling long distances. But just keep in mind, you're going to lose some mileage. If this helps out, hit the like button and subscribe for more Tesla roadside content, and drop a comment if you want a driver review on range tests with these tires. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you on the next one.
You are watching Watts Lock and Key.